In the production workshop of DONGTAI, the gear grounding operators are indispensable members of the production line. They operate precision CNC gear grounding machines to manufacture accurate gears for industrial machinery. Pursuing ultimate precision, before starting work, they carefully study the drawings and process requirements, inputting complex gear parameters into the machine tools and setting up the programs. During the processing, they need to operate the equipment with focus, install workpieces, and constantly monitor changes in screen data, listening closely to the sounds of the machines to ensure a stable processing operation, accurately grounding the metal blanks into smooth, qualified gears. After processing, they must diligently inspect each gear, using professional tools to measure precision, leaving no minor errors unchecked, ensuring that each product's quality meets standards. This job requires patience, attention to detail, and a strong sense of responsibility. Although they do not use traditional tools, they exemplify the spirit of craftsmanship through their skills and focus in the details. They are an important force in DONGTAI's production and represent true skilled artisans in modern manufacturing.